I'm recording my voice because a few people have asked me that they want to hear my voice or something. I just want to have a look at that thing in the. I'll read about this thing in the paper. Hang on.
What about this fatty?
Yeah.
Medical life.
No, the other one about the.
Yeah, that's on the front.
That's really funny. Oh, you're not watching that video again, are you, Mum?
Yeah,
you've got it out. Okay. Can I take this for a minute?
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
No, I've got to read out about the people on the lifeboats too. That was funny. Okay, thanks. I'll see if it's still recording. Yeah, it is. Okay.
What can you do about it?
What do you mean? What can I do about it?
Are you sending it to someone?
I'm just seeing if I can upload it on something. Yeah. What a haircut. Woo! I wish I knew his hairdresser, babe. Okay, now for some inspiring literature, why don't we turn to the Queensland Sunday Mail, where on the front cover, let me find it. Yeah, wait a minute. I can't find it. Oh yeah, here we go. Australian Post delivers delivers ultimatum to hefty staff. Lose weight or get on your bike. And there's pictures of these fucking guys who are riding motorbikes who are like really fat. But like, I mean, I feel sorry for the guys, I mean, they can't help it. It's an addiction. Overeating and obesity is like an addiction, but it's really funny. And underneath that, there's this fucking ad here. Feel trapped by your weight. And an ad for gastric banding. Oh, it's funny. And then, not only that, but some guy said, don't fill the medical lifeboat with fatties. Get over that. Oh, it was so funny. I nearly killed myself laughing when I heard that. Holy crap. Whoa, that's mean, man. This guy's saying that if he had to choose his people to put in the lifeboat, he wouldn't pick the fat people, he'd let them die. That's really bad. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, you can have your paper back, Mum. I think I'm recording my voice.
Oh, recording the voice about
Now your voice is on it too.
who you sending it to?
I don't know yet. Well, I don't want to hear my coughing. Anyway, I'll try and suppress that. But I can't take cough mixture at the moment because it's not good for the bleeding on my stomach, which I seem to have acquired from taking too many, well, not aspirin, but actually Nurofen, which surprised me because I thought they were pretty benign, but obviously I was mistaken. Wasn't I Kissy Fur? Kissy Fur is my cat. And she can't sleep at the moment. I've got them both in my room. And the poor bastards are sitting here. Kimby's trying to sleep. Every time I move, I have this terrible coughing, giving me these shitty looks to say, shut the fuck up. Which reminds me, it was so funny. There was once I was trying to sleep, because I'm in a retirement village at the moment. But hopefully, not forever. Anyway, here I am lying down in a retirement village, and this guy across the road, he's playing these drums. Annoyed the fucking crap out of me. Anyway, so I get up, and there's fences, but I yelled out. I waited till he had a break in his set, because, he wouldn't hear me over the drums. And I yelled out, "Hey, asshole! Shut the fuck up!" And he comes out. This big guy comes running out and to see who it was, and he glances at the retirement village across the road and doesn't even, he just glances, he thinks, no, couldn't come from there. And so he's looking up at his neighbours next door and walking up the street. Oh, had me in stitches. I was watching from inside. He looked really confused. Okay, I can see another coughing fit is about to attack me, so I just thought I'd record my voice, because some people have asked to speak to me or hear my voice, whatever you want to call it, whatever, same. And so I'm pretty bored at the moment, and I thought I'd do this to relieve the boredom a little bit, but probably add to yours. Yeah, I'm an asshole. Okay, signing off now. Say bye-bye, Kissy. Say something. No, she's not talking. She's really annoyed with me. Me and my coughing, she's had it. Kimby, anything? No. Not even purr. Wow, I'm really in the doghouse with these cats, man. Okay, bye. How do I stop this fucking... Stop.